everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know I haven't posted in quite some time, but I've been extremely busy with work and I wanted to actually make sure that I film this for you guys as quickly as possible because this is part of Louis Vuitton's newer collection. So in case any of you guys were interested in purchasing from the new, I believe it's pronounced Escale collection, I want to make a video to show you guys so you can kind of get it more in a video format versus seeing pictures online. So without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, it came in this bag and let's just unbox it. So it came in this Louis Vuitton packaging, and comment down below, but I don't know if it's because I've been buying a lot of jewelry and I usually buy more Chanel SLGs. I even bought like a Gucci mini bag or wallet on chain type of, I'll actually just show you because I have it right here. But this bag from their, I think it's called Power of the Sun collection, but it's like their pastel multicolored purse. It's so cute. But besides going off topic, I don't know, I think I haven't purchased from Louis Vuitton in a long time, and I just feel like their packaging feels, I don't want to use the word cheap, but compared to even like Gucci, I mean like Chanel boxes, they're just, and like Cartier, it just feels subpar compared to those. And I don't know if that's because I've been just unused to unboxing those items more frequently, or just like those are the items I've been purchasing or have been gravitating more toward, that I just feel like for the price you're paying for Louis Vuitton and how they're increasing their prices substantially, I feel like every quarter, I thought they would have revamped their packaging to kind of match their exclusivity and kind of the tier that they're trying to achieve, but I don't know. So just comment down below your thoughts on their packaging, but I just felt like it just was subpar compared to other luxury brands in the space. So it did come in this dust bag, and without further ado, here she is. So it is part of their, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Escale collection. This is the Kirigami, and the Kirigami comes in 3 sizes. So this is the large and the pretty pastel, like, I don't know if there's a name for it, I probably should know, but just like light pink, baby blue, like green, yellow, and purplish indigo. So that is the first one, and one of the reasons I wanted to purchase this is I love this colorway and love this like pastel color. As you can see, I'm like really into pastel colors, I think, for the summer, and I just get a lot of wear out of them. I've been using the Gucci mini wallet on chain type of bag all the time, and I get so many compliments on it because it's just different, and I feel like with this too, it's just different. I'm really not into Louis Vuitton's canvas pieces anymore, especially in their classic styles like Monogram, Damier Bean, Damier Azur. I don't gravitate toward them anymore, but I did love this colorway, and I'll show you guys the medium size and the small size. So the inside has this pink leather, and then it says like Louis Vuitton, made in France. And one of the reasons why I ended up purchasing this is because, as you guys know, if you guys have been following me for quite some time, I don't like big bags. I prefer SLGs and smaller, kind of like wallet on chain bags, because I really don't put too much in my bag. So I thought I could add a chain to this one, maybe in like a silver, and kind of wear a crossbody, and I thought that would be really cute. Or I can wear it as like a nice clutch, you know, me trying to wear it as a clutch right now, but the color was like something I needed in my collection. I just thought it was so pretty. And they made it in the mini pochette accessoire, but I have that already in Damier Bean, and I really don't use it anymore. So I thought I would try something new and get the Kirigami, because I've been wanting, or I've seen the Kirigami before, and I was thinking, you know, this is a great time to purchase it because it is like a collection that I wanted to purchase, and I wanted something that was on the smaller side. This is the medium size, so this is it's like a blue ombre, and it's also really pretty. I feel like this would look really great with jeans. Again, this would look This would fit perfectly in a purse. Like I could picture it in my Louis Vuitton pochette métis, or by itself. I think I could probably even put like a little chain on this too, because this has a chain that's like about the same size, maybe a little bigger, but the width is wider on this bag versus obviously the Kirigami is like more slim fitting, which I like. I think it's a cute style. And then the small one, oh, and then this just has blue leather interior, again made in France. And then the little baby one. So I think this would be small, unless this is mini, unless I'm getting them totally messed up. Just let me know down below. But this is the little baby one. I think this color is also so cute. It's red, pink, purple, and it's so tiny. And again, it has red interior. I think they did a really nice job on these, all three colorways. They are just so pretty. I like how the Kirigami, you get a taste of all three, because that was another thing that drew me to the Kirigami, is because you can get all three colorways and style them differently. This would probably work best with like coins, maybe like headphones, AirPods, lipstick, like anything random that I want to put in here. And I also could, I wonder if it fits a credit card. Actually, let me try that out real quick. I have one in this card, so let me just try. I probably should have watched, like, there's definitely videos that show what fits into these Kirigamis, but this is my curiosity. Oh my god, a card does fit. Oh, that's so perfect. It's like a mini card holder. Trying to see anything else to know, but they're just so pretty. I love them. I love this color. It's so pretty. Comment down below which one's your favorite colorway out of the three from the Escale collection. I am totally this like light pastel colorway. I love it. I don't know if it has a name. I feel like I'm doing a terrible job explaining this right now, but Louis Vuitton's not something that I research a lot into. Like I said, there's a few pieces I like, but it's not, I'm more into like jewelry or Chanel when it comes to like collections and knowing the names of stuff. So I'm sorry that I'm not well versed in Louis Vuitton, but I did want to just unbox this so I could show you guys how it looks in case anyone was interested. I do have a little story time about purchasing this in general. I purchased it through an online sales associate, and I ended up taking like a week or so for them to actually charge my card and ship it, and I just felt like they did a terrible job at communicating kind of that process with me. So it was like, yeah, here's my information, I would like to buy this, and then it was kind of just like a delayed, like they never let me know that it was processed or anything, and then they ended up calling me like randomly, like someone else, not even the person that I had messaged to purchase it. I think they were going through another store, so that person called me up real quick about my card information, and then they said they were going to bring it up tomorrow, but again, like no confirmation that went through. And then I think a few days later I checked my statement and saw that it did get charged. So then I messaged the original person, not the person that called me, but the one that I originally went through, and was like, can I get like a tracking information, because I know with this whole pandemic they haven't been requiring you to physically sign your packages, and I just wanted to make sure that I knew what day it was coming to be on the lookout. And she had responded saying that it's usually not something they do, but she could check to see if she can give me some information. And then literally within like an hour or two later, the package was at my door, and they actually did knock for me to sign, so they might be doing that now again. But again, I felt like the communication was lackluster and that they didn't really do a great job communicating. So when it actually finally came, it was the wrong Kirigami. They gave me the original Kirigami, so I was super disappointed because it took a while just to get it, and just the whole lack of communication. I feel like I understand that they are very busy, but if you're in a sales role, one of the main things is to have good customer service, that person wants to purchase from you again and is loyal to you. And instead I kind of got a different experience and ended up getting a wrong order. So at least I would have been fine if, whatever communication was not up to par, they weren't communicating, but at least I got my order. But then I got a wrong order, and I got the original Kirigami, and that mean I had to actually end up going to the store to return it, so that was just more hassle. So I was going with the intention of I'm just going to return it and that's it, because I'm just kind of over this whole process. Also, because I ended up talking to another sales associate, I was trying to purchase the 20S purple card holder and waited weeks. And I say like maybe 3-4 weeks of just waiting, because they said the stores were closed and it was at like a boutique. I don't even know. But then all of a sudden they were like, oh, sorry, your order's canceled. So again, waiting weeks for then my order to be canceled is just extremely frustrating. So I was just kind of fed up on the whole online ordering through sales associates. I prefer just in-store at this point. So when I went to go return it, I was telling the sales associate at the store just why I was returning it. It's just like they sent me the wrong thing. And she's like, and she had it in her hand in the dust bag. She's like, I just unpacked this from shipment and it was the one I wanted. So at that point I was like, okay, it must be fate. And it just looks so pretty in person. So that is how I ended up purchasing it. But I was going to end up not purchasing it just because I was fed up with the whole trying to buy online situation. It just was not fun. And I don't know if you guys have had better experiences, but my experiences, or my 2 experiences, were not pleasant. I mean, I purchased this through another one and it came fairly quickly and she was really good about communicating and providing tracking information. So maybe it was just the other 2 that were not as good, but I ended up purchasing it and I think that's all that matters at this point. But I want to share, I keep only showing you guys this one, but there's 3. I wanted to show you guys these items in case any of you guys were interested in even purchasing, maybe not the care guide, but just like this colorway for the collection. I keep tilting it, but these are the colors. I love this one. I think this will look really cute on a chain. Stay tuned. I definitely have a few other things that I might be unboxing later. So some videos in the pipeline that I want to film are a comparison between these 2 rings, because I've been getting a lot of questions on my other videos about them. So I thought I'd just do an update on these 2 rings and compare and contrast them, what I like, which one would I recommend. Also, a few other review videos. I know I also have a jewelry collection, but I'm still not in New York, so I don't have all my jewelry with me. So when I do that, I want to make sure that I have all my jewelry together, and I might even wait a little bit because there's a few items that I want to purchase. So I want to at least film it when it's a good place where I feel like content with my jewelry collection, versus making a jewelry collection video and then it becoming basically not obsolete, but I end up getting more pieces and then it's just, you know, at least want to have a few more pieces that I know already are in my head and that I want to purchase before posting that video. And then a few other like video ideas I have in my head. If you guys want any videos specifically, please let me know down in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. It's why I love making these videos. I love getting DMs on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me, it's @_New York Sensation. But I love when you guys end up messaging me on there and we have conversations about items that I would like, or maybe even you guys have, you know, second guessing or want extra opinions on. I love doing that, so definitely don't ever feel afraid to reach out to me. Sometimes it might take a while to respond depending on how busy I am, but I always do respond and I do try to get to everyone and have those conversations because I love having them and I love talking about luxury goods. I could talk about them all day if I could, but unfortunately I can't. So stay tuned for more frequent videos. I think I should have a little more time now. It was just really, really hectic the past few weeks, and I think now I'm getting on a more, everything's still busy, but it's just a little more manageable. So definitely stay tuned. Thank you guys for all my new subscribers, for people that are new here. I really do appreciate it. I love, like I said, making these videos. It's extremely fun for me, and I can't wait to show you more videos to come. What else? Oh, so I don't even know if people are still on here listening to me at this point, but there are pre-sales going on right now. I know Gucci, Chanel, Dior, Valentino on some of their runway pieces, and their shoes are on sale, so definitely check that out. I think it starts the 25th for some, like maybe Saks and a few other retailers, but they are having a pre-sale right now. Definitely just check it out. I'll definitely probably write it down in the comment because I don't even know if people are listening at this point because it's the end of the video. But for those of you that are, you know, thank you, because that is a little tip, I guess. Maybe everyone knows by now, but there are pre-sales going on for these designers, and they're really good deals going on. So definitely check them out. And if you are interested in purchasing, I would definitely do so sooner rather than later, because pieces are and sizes are just becoming more and more sparse. So yeah, I'm done rambling now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.